Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Here we are in Austin, Texas for the MotoGP races and the Handbuilt Show. Stick around. So here we are walking around the paddocks, and I just want you to note that Harley-Davidson has their whole race team right here. But right here is the Harley-Davidson experience, where you can get on a motorcycle and do a fake burnout for everybody watching. That's how Harley-Davidsons do it. They fake a lot of stuff. I shoot from the hip, bro.
I do too.
Talk about shooting from the hip. This guy's all cowboyed up.
Howdy,
here,
friends.
Here in Texas. We met yesterday. Well, actually, we met this whole weekend.
Pleasure.
We've been here for the Handbuilt Show. One of my fellow builders hit the show, and he has a little bit of Tampa background there.
I do.
Went to the University of Tampa, but you brought some amazing motorcycles, bro.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
What bike did you bring? Let's talk about
We
this
brought
one
two,
right here.
but we'll focus on this one for the sake of the video and keeping things quick. But this is a 1975 Honda CB750 Super Sport, and it's sort of the style that I've kind of coined. I'd like to think I've coined. It's called the Club Sport. So that is representative of true cafe. Low bars, long tank, straight rear subframe and cowl, classic rear sets. But the difference on this bike is we developed it all in CAD. So everything is purposely engineered for the sake of not only style, but retaining the history and, most importantly, making the ride quality the best of any CB that's ever been built.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was like, now this just isn't. Yeah. This is like not like you typically pulling out of a barn an old CB750. And,
well, they were pulled out of a barn. Well, yeah, but the
but
scope,
you stepped it up another level.
So
with like the performance, the handling, designing your own parts.
It's not just stuff. It's not just looks, and that's one thing I pride myself on. It's the functionality, the internals, and the actual skeleton.
Good. And it looks
That's
good.
The cherry on top, right? But
you can have cool stuff and it just not perform
exactly.
Right?
But like from the inside out, we build with fully serviceable wiring harnesses that are fully custom with Moto Gadget, as I'm sure you're well aware.
Yeah, for sure.
The whole Bluetooth thing, it's cool. All the componentry for the electronics, and then the motors. Every Club Sport gets a fresh motor rebuild. Okay. There's 3 stages to motor rebuilds depending on the cost and performance that you want out of it. This is a stage 2 motor build, which consists of some things we don't have to go into too much depth, but cams, advanced timing, overbore in the piston cylinders, and then where this bike really becomes special is the way it rides, and that was really achieved through the geometry of our triple tree, matching with our billet aluminum wheels. A bunch of featuring parts. Yeah, the wheels, the chain guard, the rear set brackets, foot pegs, front cowl, rear cowl.
You can literally go into his website and purchase all the parts that are featured on this bike.
And if they're not available, they will be available in due time. It's a slow roll, slow burn, but we can make special requests happen. But yes, we are commissioning bikes. We're full for the year, but taking deposits for 27.
definitely thank you for showing us the bike. Where can these guys find you online?
You can find us on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. It's all the same handle, milezero.racers.
Milezero.racers.
You can see us build these bikes. We pull bikes out of the barns. We're a big vintage motorcycle channel, and we also build some cars on there too. So.
Cars take up too much space.
You
put like 6 motorcycles in the small.
I know, it's true. Maybe
well, guys, make sure you guys go check them out. Let's go check out some other motorcycles. There's a lot going on here at the show.
My friend.
So what's your favorite motorcycle at the show?
This one.
This one? What is that?
It's an Indian Scout.
Indian Scout. Do you know anything about who built it? You know the person?
I might know him.
You might know him?
I might be able to get you to talk to him.
Yeah, can I get his number? Like get his digits? Like what's the deal? So
sorry, he's taken.
He's taken. Who did you take him?
Yes.
Oh, so it's your man that built the Indian Scout.
Yes.
Well, super rad bike. Where'd y'all come from?
Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Yeah.
Well, let's go check out the Indian Scout. Can you give me the talk through? I know he's busy talking to people. Can you
try.
Say this is a wheel.
Okay,
this is an engine.
I can do that, yeah.
Here, I'll give you the mic. You can just walk me through.
Okay.
All right, talk to me about this motorcycle. We're like on the news. News Channel 5 here. Live
Action.
at the Handbuilt Show in Austin, Texas. First off, who are we talking to? Where are you guys? We know you're from Hawaii, but who are you? What's the name of the shop? What do you do?
My name is Stacia. My husband Jack is the one who rides the bike and builds it and all of that.
And talks to all the other people at the shows. Okay.
Yeah,
but you're getting the special YouTube content today.
Oh no.
No, it's great. It's wonderful. So you brought an Indian Scout dirt dragster setup.
Dirt drag setup, yes.
And I heard that you guys have been really close to like breaking some land speed records and stuff like that with it.
So we're like 0.8 off the dirt drag record, and we hold the 2K Arkansas mile record on this because we do land speed on this drag race. Bonneville, we've done El Mirage.
It's not just a one-purpose built bike.
No,
y'all are doing tons of stuff.
And it's our street bike. And
that blows my mind.
He proposed to me on this bike. We went for a ride, and yeah.
He's talking to other people. We're talking to the more important person. So he proposed to you on the motorcycle.
Yeah.
Rad. So are y'all married yet?
Yeah, we're married.
Oh, cool. How long y'all been married?
3.
You better get it right.
2 or 3 years.
2 or 3 years. Okay, that's all good. It's all good.
What year is it?
It is 2026
3
now.
years.
3 years.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Very cool. Well, congratulations on the marriage. Congratulations on the bike here at the show. So, Jack.
Yes, sir.
Coming from Hawaii.
Yes.
Brought an amazing Indian Scout.
Thank you.
That you ride on the street. You do land speed racing.
Yep.
You do dirt drag racing.
Yep.
You're talking about getting into some ice racing.
Yes, I want to ice drag race and drag race.
And drag. Full out drag racing. So stoked to see the bike. It immediately grabbed my attention because I love purpose-built motorcycles. And this thing was built for multiple purposes.
Yes, exactly.
So typically you see a bike, it's made for one thing, you do many things with it. That's super rad. So Rebel Gears did your gearing.
Yes.
Like what are some other highlights on the bike?
Parts wise, I just like to give a shout out to Montgomery Power Sports back home because we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for them. Highlights, Dean Speed had done the exhaust on that, stainless exhaust. He did it for our land speed. That thing is amazing. We got fabrication everywhere. Garen's Racing back home helped us put together the subframe and the dash and the headlight mount and everything else. So we've had a lot of guys in Hawaii helping us and a lot of good sponsors up here helping us too.
It's so rad because, I mean, you're an ocean away.
far.
You're an ocean and a half of a country away here in Texas to bring the bike out. I know you guys were just up at Mama Tried.
Yes.
Congratulations
Thank
on
you.
that. It's always a great show. I know you guys
That
have
was
seen it
awesome.
here before. So what's next? What's next?
Well, we were supposed to race in April, and we kind of pushed the race a little bit so we could do this show. It's just we couldn't miss the Handbuilt Show with the MotoGP.
Oh, yeah.
So we're thinking maybe May. We're going to try to get somewhere in drag race.
Okay.
We'd like to attempt
Drag race or dirt drag?
Drag race first.
Drag race, okay.
We'd like to attempt to get the quarter-mile record back again. I'd like to take a shot at that, which is owned by Luke Barlow.
Okay.
At 968, and I think at 146.
Watch out, Luke. They're coming for you. You heard it here first, people. He's coming for you. And I have to say, pats on the back to you for bringing this rad Indian Scout, man.
I just want to say that means a lot coming from you. I appreciate that.
I'm nobody. I'm nobody. Nobody. I don't hold. I don't hold records like you do. So
that's nothing, man. That's nothing. You do beautiful work with your hands. That's.
Well, I tell you what. Where can these people find you online? Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. What do you do?
JSR Speed and Performance on Instagram. That's my main thing. Our race page.
Right there at the bottom of the page, guys. Make sure you go over to Instagram, check them out, give them a follow, and watch as they bring it to the track and probably take back that record. I think you're going to get it, man.
I'd like to take a shot at it.
You're going to take a shot. We're just hoping you bring it home. We're going to go find some other motorcycles here at the Handbuilt Show. Off your head. And you can't say my bike because we're talking, but point me in the direction, like, what's your favorite bike? I want to go check it out.
Well, I actually was kind of starstruck at seeing Project 156, the Victory bike.
Oh, Roland Sands bike.
Roland Sands bike that they built to race Pikes Peak, because that was technically kind of the granddaddy of the Scout. If you go over there and look at the motor, that was kind of when they're testing it and prototyping it and getting it ready before Victory.
Yeah, and you can't. No more motorcycles on Pikes Peak. So
no, they banned it.
Yep,
oh,
it's done. Yeah, so it's tough. But yeah, we'll go check out that Victory, man. But hey, thanks again for the time.
Thank you.
Love the bike.
Thank you.
Check them out, guys. Handbuilt Show.
Handbuilt Show.
You having a fun time?
Great time.
So you guys don't get to see Bree a whole lot on the channel, but she's learning things every time we come to a show.
I am.
What have you learned about specifically the Handbuilt Show that you like the most?
Yeah, I got nothing with that. I don't know. Specifically about the Handbuilt Show?
What have you enjoyed about the Handbuilt Show?
I like that all of the motorcycles are modified differently.
Different. And you have a favorite?
I do.
Show us. Nice. It's kind of a chopper.
Kind of.
Are you a chopper, mama?
No.
No.
Not necessarily.
What do you like about it?
I like the colors. I feel like it's very aesthetically pleasing. I think it's shiny. I think the color scheme is really pretty, but everything else is really subdued.
Okay.
It's classy, it's tasteful, and it's slightly different.
There are a few things that I really like about it too. I like the triple trees, which is the front fork portion. It kind of looks like a magnesium gold. It's different, which matches also the wheels. So super cool, like layout. But what's cool is it's not a Harley. It's close to a Harley. It's a Buell. So a Buell chopper, that's rad in my book. I'll give it to you. They did a really great job with it. The layout, the colors, everything's cool about it. Even the grips.
It's really pretty.
Good
I like
job.
it.
Good pick.
Thanks.
Good pick. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to her. And she said the other one beside it's pretty awesome too, right?
Yeah. Do you want to see that one?
Yeah, show me it.
This one.
That one.
That one.
Now that is not a Harley either. That is
It's a win.
It's an actual Japanese motorcycle, a Yamaha. But what's rad about that bike is it's actually a 4-cylinder in a V configuration. So it's a V4 as opposed to like a Harley Davidson V twin. But that exhaust coming out the
It's
rear,
really interesting.
it's interesting. I wouldn't want to slide off the back
No,
of the
I would
seat.
not.
It might
It's
burn
not
you a
for
little
two
bit.
people.
You can sit in front.
Maybe.
Cool bike.